you want to look your best and feel your best, this is a great stop, which is why we're here. We're at Restore Hyper Wellness, and we're going to talk about a couple of the key core services today.
Yes, so we have red light and infrared sauna that we're going to talk about today.
I really am excited to share with viewers what these two things do and how they're different. Let's start with the infrared sauna and how it works.
Sure, so the infrared sauna uses infrared technology. We heat the body directly. So less heat stress because the heat goes right through the skin, starts to heat you up from within, and it works its way out. So it's great for detox, it's great for anti-inflammation, stress management, pain, chronic or persistent.
It really does help to get rid of things that your body doesn't want, and I will tell you, you feel great for days after using it. Now, the other technology we'll discuss is red light, and I want to share how that's different.
Sure, so red light still uses infrared technology, right? But it uses the infrared light a little bit differently. It helps to stimulate the cells. So the mitochondria in there, the powerhouse, we're stimulating what we call ATP, great energy molecules. We feel naturally energized, okay? Also helps with skin benefits, right? So the skin rejuvenation, there's anti-inflammation properties, big energy boost, melts stress away.
So one helps you really get rid of a whole bunch of stuff your body doesn't want. The other one helps your body really utilize those cells to their best. A great 1-2 punch for health.
Absolutely.
For viewers who are interested in utilizing core services regularly, what can they do?
So really the best way to use this consistently, okay? A weekly basis would be nice, but we have different memberships or packages that you can end up taking advantage of to help drive the price down.
Restore Hyper Wellness. Josh, thanks so much for having us.
Thank you.
Come on in and check it out to feel your best. Thanks for watching.